Ladies and gentlemen, and every Nigerian student who is charging their phone on the live support, guess what? Just guess. Did you know that Tecno just dropped a phone that looks like the yet to be released iPhone 17 Pro younger brother, but on a copper salary? Actually 2 months salary, plus or minus. Now, meet the Tecno Spark 40. Maybe I'm busy. Up and now, I'm always give phone. Meet the all new Tecno Spark 40, not Spark 4, not Spark 8. This one glows differently. Now, is this the real deal or just packaging with small ginger? Let's find out. To start with, let's not lie to ourselves. This phone fine sharp. Tecno are giving the Spark 40 a surprisingly polished look for a sub 150k phone. It comes with a matte plastic back and we have black, silver or blue with flat edges and a fairly clean camera module. From far, it looks like the iPhone 17 Pro snuck into a Juleba market and found its twin. With flat edges like Lagos mainland road on a good day, a smooth matte back that doesn't collect fingerprints like gossip, and the camera island, Tecno said, give them premium but keep it affordable. And guess what? It got IP64 resistance, meaning spill and dust, no wahala. Just don't go swimming with it as if you're in Big Brother Ninja house. Please. For display, gone are those days Tecno gave us screen that looks like YouTube 240p, which will make you cry. Now, we're talking a 6.78 inch Full HD Plus, not half, not blurry, with a 120 refresh rate that is as smooth as Ninja jollof rice on a Sunday morning. This display isn't just an upgrade, it's a glow up. Whether you're watching Netflix, YouTube, scrolling TikTok endlessly, or stalking your ex-new friend on IG, this screen is clear, bright, and big enough to make you feel like a tech boss. Even the bezel got the memo. They are slim now, not those thick black borders from 2016 that makes every phone looks like a flat screen TV on a bad budget. And when you step outside, no more squinting as if you're trying to read your destiny under the sun. This screen holds up outdoor as if it was trained by sunglasses. You get the point? So yeah, your eyes can finally breathe. For the audio, you've got a stereo speaker here, meaning audio comes from the top and beneath. It's not like other phones that has dual speaker but whispers as if they're telling you secret. But this guy is loud enough to disturb your neighbors, clear enough for a voice note from your precious, and don't expect that subwoofer bass because you won't get that here. But for the job, it will get it done. Talking about getting the job done, inside the engine room, the Spark 40 is powered by a MediaTek Helio G81. Not the flashiest chip, but this guy knows how to hustle. It also has 4GB of RAM, plus Tecno fake it until you make it 8GB of virtual RAM. Is it real? Kinda. Is it helpful? Actually, yes. And more on it, we have a 128GB of internal storage, so you can now download all your favorite essential apps. NCR space for memes, screenshot, and 400 plus WhatsApp stickers that you'll never use. I don't know why you're still keeping them. Now listen, this phone is not yet to win a Formula 1. But for day-to-day tasks like WhatsApp, smooth, TikTok flawless, Instagram real, scrolling fine, YouTube no wahala, Google search faster enough to settle arguments. Even like games like Free Fire, Subway Surfer, or low graphics PUBG, this baby holds its ground. But please, if you're planning to crank up Call of Duty Mobile on ultra graphics like you're playing on a gaming system, my brother, rest. You will see like we go humble your soul and ask you about your life choices. Let's say this engine is more like a reliable Okada, not a Ferrari. It will get you to where you're going, but don't try a drag race with it. But you know what? You can actually try a drag race by hitting on the subscribe button. Hit down, I beg. Oh my god, therefore now never try. Hit that subscribe button. And finally talking until you subscribe. Oh yeah, I'll talk some more. For the camera, we've got a 50 megapixel main camera and an 8 megapixel front camera. Sound fancy, right? In good lighting, this camera will deliver. Crisp enough for wedding selfies, snap enough to send your ex see what you lost photos. But in low light, let's just say this camera will act like NEPA. It gets confused when things goes dark. But still, for the price, it is not bad at all. So guys, take a look at the photos and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Now for the battery, let's clap for this one because this device comes with a 5200 milliamp battery, the kind that doesn't tap out before you do. This device supports 45 watts fast charging, and yes, Tecno actually gave us a full 45 watts charger inside the box this time. No jokes, no half-love, full power. Charging this device from 0 to 100, it moves like a crush replying your message instantly, fast, unexpected, and low-key emotional. Whether you're watching YouTube, running Instagram reels, replying group chats that you don't like, or just done scrolling TikTok for 6 hours straight, this battery will stand by you like a true friend. One full charge will cover you from sunrise to light out. No need to start begging for power bank by 3 p.m. like some people. I don't want to mention names, you know yourself. And the best part, this phone stays cool and calm while charging. No writing wahala here. Just plug in, power up, and get moving. Now, for the rest of the extra features on this device before your village people find out. AI, this device carry on. It dey body well. You know this AI era, and this device also supports ChatGPT powered by DeepSeek. The side-mounted fingerprint is fast as your anti-slap. It also comes with Android 15 out of the box, so your phone isn't stuck in 2022. And the amazing part of it all is this thing they call Free Link. Do you know that you can actually make emergency call without SIM card on this device? All you need to do is look for a device that also supports Free Link and see the magic yourself. Now for the competition, who did it? Come on, dude. At the price of 145,000 naira, who is beefing the Tecno Spark 40? On my list is the Infinix Hot 50. More RAM, maybe more of a firepower, but the Tecno Spark 40 says, me I find past you. Next is the Redmi 14C. Xiaomi Crew always comes solid, but the Spark 40 has better screen and faster charge. Last on my list I would say is the Itel P70. Big battery, small ambition. The Tecno Spark 40 already is playing in the big league. Now to my final verdict, or what we all have been waiting for. Who is the Tecno Spark 40 for? Are you a student? Yes, you can rock this device. Do you need a phone that does not embarrass you during calls, selfie, or classes? This is it. Do you love your battery like you love a peace of mind? Yes, this is the game for you. But if you're a hardcore gamer or a content creator that edits 4K on their phone, or you expect the flagship vibe on the device, shift to one side. This phone is not for you. So to round it up, I'll say that Tecno Spark 40 is like a loyal friend. It doesn't do too much. It doesn't lie about what it can't do. But it's always there to pick your calls, snap pictures, and keep you company from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. without stress. It looks like the yet to be released iPhone 17 Pro, charge like a demon, and cost a Sunday lunch. What else do you want? Let me know in the comment section. Meanwhile, do not forget to like, share these videos to friends, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel because I'm coming back with more hits. Thanks for watching. Till next time, bye and bye.